Sometimes, with only a hint of companion, we can extend love. Sometimes, with just a little care, we can maintain the warmth around us. Every beautiful moment deserves our touching. Every detail is infused with our understanding of service, with the hope that it becomes a part of your happy life. WINONE serves your need and knows you more. With the perseverance of chasing the dreams, WINONE focuses on the R&D, design, production, and service of the products, and devotes itself to providing you with the perfect elevator riding experience. Under the complicated configuration runs the reliable operational device. That simple but practical design offers an ultimate comfort experience. The tedious engineering process represents our pursuit of quality in every detail. And the seemingly plain after-sales service is nothing but our most sincere commitment. Along this whole journey, WINONE keeps marching its way through the daily elevator riding demands, creating and utilizing the space and practical value of elevators. Every change we make is one step closer to your demands. Every transcendence we achieve is to raise ourselves towards the limitless height of ideal. With the 125-meter-high modern elevator experimental tower, we provide you with safety, performance, and ideal operation curve testing. With the joint efforts of our 2 production bases, supported by hundreds of service providers countrywide, to the world-class engineering and R&D capability, we hold the pulse of era of precision and intelligence production, and become the fundamental guarantee of quality service. WINONE focuses on every smooth operation of the products, every component, every staircase, every sign, every button, and every single detail. The machinery is humanized. Coldness becomes affable. Routines are etherealized. We comfort your anxiety with intelligence. We bring infinite vitality in the buildings, and we are crafting the most soothing interior transportation experience. This is where the dream starts. Along this road, numerous WINONE people have made all their efforts. This is where the future begins. We provide excellent elevator overall planning solutions proactively, based on our rational prediction of the future building evolution. We are paying full attention to your every demand. Keeping our responsibilities in mind, we are 24-hour efficient, customer responsive to make sure the proper functioning of every component. Taking this as our momentum to move ahead, we are enlightening every corner of cities with our professional and excellent service, marching proudly as the leader of the industry. The hope is being spread every time when a seed of kindness is planted and the smile of hope blossoms. From perseverance of the moment to the dream of the next, we will keep forward on the road of dream. At WINONE, it's not about just carrying people and cargoes, but also the happiness and beauty of everyone's life and the dream and responsibility of revitalizing national industry. Its full efforts will eventually become the flying melody in our urban architectures. Serve your need. Know you more. WINONE.